In the upcoming segment, I'll guide you through the process of uncovering winning product ideas using Wish.com. Wish.com is an excellent resource for finding potential products and is quite similar to AliExpress in terms of offering affordable items from China. The main distinction lies in the user base, with AliExpress catering more to dropshippers and Wish.com attracting everyday consumers. Given its widespread usage, Wish.com offers numerous product ideas. I'm going to introduce you to 4 methods for identifying products on Wish.com. The first approach involves scrolling through the popular feed. The second method is to explore the trending section. The third technique is to investigate the best sellers, and the final strategy is to explore various categories. Let's start with the popular feed. As we scroll through, keep in mind that everyone's popular feed may differ based on their product preferences and settings. However, Wish.com provides valuable information about the number of people purchasing a product. The attractive aspect is that if you spot a promising product on Wish.com, you can expect similar pricing on AliExpress. In the popular feed, you'll come across a diverse range of items, such as jewelry, clothing, winter shoes, and even niche products like shapewear and the Bluetooth Speedy. Sizing issues can be a concern with some products, but if you can navigate these challenges, it's a promising avenue for profits. Additionally, you'll find garden decor, arthritis compression gloves, and other items like lights, which are popular on TikTok. Next, we move on to the trending section. A Google search using the term Wish.com trending will reveal products that are currently in demand. You'll see products that experience higher demand during specific seasons, such as the posture corrector, which boasts a unique design and has been super successful dropshipping. Shapewear is another category that holds mass appeal, provided you can address sizing concerns. As with any product research method, persistence is key. Revisit these methods multiple times a day, as the Wish.com algorithm can present different results to each user. The more you scroll, the greater the chances of finding potential winners. The next method involves searching for Wish.com best sellers on Google. This leads you to a list of top-performing products on the platform. Examples include auto hair color and knee compression sleeves, both addressing specific needs and showing success on Facebook. Lastly, delving into niche categories on Wish.com can be a goldmine of product ideas. For instance, exploring the beauty niche can reveal products like rechargeable trimmers, shapewear, arthritis gloves, and unique items like the crystal hair remover. There are products like the back pain brace and the electric posture corrector that have solved problems effectively and displayed a unique mechanism for success. In conclusion, Wish.com offers a wealth of product ideas. Whether you explore categories, utilize the search function, or navigate trending and popular feeds, there's no shortage of opportunities to discover promising products. Once you've found a product that piques your interest, cross-check it on AliExpress to determine if it's worth testing. Potent strategy for discovering winning products is on TikTok. It's quite simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using the TikTok mobile app for this method. It's crucial to use the mobile app since it offers filters that allow you to narrow your search to products posted within the last week. This is a valuable approach to stay updated with the latest trends. Fire up your TikTok app and head over to the search section. Here's where the magic happens. For the initial search, type in TikTok made me buy it. This is the first search term we'll be using to find promising products. Hit enter and check out the results. As you scroll down, you'll notice more related search terms, such as trending TikTok products and TikTok viral products. Keep exploring to uncover an array of keywords. Now, for a more refined search, click on the top right corner and select the filters option. This is where you can filter videos by date posted. For this demonstration, we're focusing on products that have been posted in the last week. However, I recommend testing out different time frames as well, including all time, yesterday, and last 6 months. Feel free to experiment. But for now, let's explore products from the last week. Click Apply. Now, TikTok will unveil a variety of products that have recently gone viral. As you navigate through these videos, remember to adhere to the criteria for winning products. One of the key elements to look out for is to ensure that the product you consider has a compelling and attention-grabbing factor. For this example, I won't go through every single video, but instead, I'll click on those that catch my interest. The first video that stands out is about an acupressure mat, known for relieving back pain. When you identify a promising product, make sure to like the post to archive it for later reference. This product is definitely worth testing as it aligns with the criteria of having an attention-grabbing factor and solving a problem. As you continue scrolling, you'll encounter various products. For instance, there's an intriguing video about waterproof socks that has already gained significant traction. It was posted just 2 days ago and has received 100,000 likes. Be sure to like the post to save it for future reference. Keep an eye out for emerging accounts like the one you see here. This account was created on the 2nd of December and has already accumulated 900 followers. Such accounts present opportunities to test products, so take note of them. You'll find a range of interesting products, and what's great about this method is that you can also observe which hooks and approaches are working for people. Pay attention to what goes viral. For instance, the hook that begins with "I'm gonna be honest" seems to perform well. You can incorporate these strategies into your own videos. While exploring the TikTok feed, you'll come across items like eyelash curlers, lighters, toys, and more. The key is to spend time scouring the search results for excellent product ideas. Take the posture poll, for instance. It's a fantastic product that was posted 5 days ago and has already garnered 300,000 likes. This account, launched on the 30th of November, now boasts 2,700 followers. Clearly, there's potential in this product. This is essentially the process you need to follow. Delve into the search results, find products that meet the winning criteria, gauge their performance, and even read the comments section to gauge user interest. To evaluate whether a product is worth selling, venture into the comments section. If you encounter comments like "I need this," "I want this," or "Where can I buy it?" that's a positive sign. The comment section can be a goldmine for understanding the product's appeal. So, that's the method, folks. Dive into TikTok, explore the search results, identify promising products that captivate your audience's attention, and use this treasure trove of data to uncover your next winning product. Remember that this method may take some time, but the rewards can be substantial. The more effort you put into it, the more likely you are to discover top-performing products. So, keep exploring and remain vigilant, and you'll be on your way to finding your next winning product. Alright folks, now I'm about to introduce you to an untapped product research method. It's a method that hasn't received much attention, and I haven't come across anyone teaching it. When you see this site, you might be thinking, aren't those the products featured in late-night infomercials? Indeed they are. And, it turns out, they are incredibly profitable. These are just the kinds of products that excel in dropshipping. This website is called As Seen on TV. I've been in the dropshipping game for over 5 years now, and I've witnessed many viral products that have generated substantial revenue. And many of these winning products have been discovered by simply scrolling through the As Seen on TV website. Allow me to provide you with a brief overview of how to use it. First, head over to asinontv.com and you'll land on the homepage. Yes, the site might appear a bit dated, but don't let that fool you. The products you'll find here are absolutely remarkable. At the top, you'll find various categories, including new arrivals, bestsellers, and other niches. If you already have a niche in mind, feel free to explore the relevant section. Let's start by taking a look at the home page. You'll find bestsellers, like the mini air conditioner, which I observed going viral last year. There's the pillow pad and the bamboo cushion, both of which I showcased in my previous video on ad spying, demonstrating how people are making substantial profits with these products. As you scroll down, you'll encounter new arrivals and trending products. Many of these are fascinating and, more importantly, they have an attention-grabbing factor. To be featured in an As Seen on TV infomercial, a product needs to be truly unique. People have to see the TV ad, pick up the phone, and place an order. Consequently, the products featured tend to be exceptionally distinctive. Just by scrolling through this page, you'll come across a plethora of brilliant product ideas. Now, let's explore the bestsellers section. Once again, you'll find intriguing products like the Arctic Air Ultra, Pillow Pad, Bamboo Cushion, Easy Feet, and Miracle Copper Socks. Some of these items have performed incredibly well on Facebook ads. But what's even more fascinating is that you'll encounter many unique products here that you won't typically find while scrolling through AliExpress. Take, for example, the Bow Light, a product with a track record of success in dropshipping. This website is a treasure trove of untapped products with a strong appeal and the potential for scaling on Facebook. If you have a specific niche in mind, feel free to select it from the categories. For instance, let's explore the health and beauty category. Inside, you'll find products like Easy Feet, a hair straightening brush, and the Genie Hourglass. The latter is a shapewear product that has performed admirably on Facebook. There's also the Back Stretcher, a different take on the TikTok viral product, and the Total Pillow, which is great for travel and has garnered success on Facebook. And if you venture into the kitchen niche, you'll discover products like the 1-second slicer that you've likely seen all over TikTok. These items are proven winners, and this site is teeming with ideas for potentially successful products. My recommendation is to dedicate some time to explore this site, navigate through the best sellers, delve into your niche, and hunt for products that meet the criteria of a winning product. They should have a significant attention-grabbing factor, solve a problem, and add real value to the customer. Once you've identified a unique product, proceed to AliExpress to verify if you can source it at a favorable price.